Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can get free checks. You can order them for your Sofi Money account. So once you're logged in to your Sofi account, what you want to do is go over and click the Money tab. And once you're on your Sofi Money page, go over and find where it says Transfer, Send Money, Pay Bill. Next to that, there should be an option for more. We're going to click on this and it's going to give us some more options over in the page that it's going to take us to. So then on the More page, we can see our different options here on the side. And if you go down, there should be an option that says Order Checks. So we're going to click on that. And then it says Order Checks, place a first-time check order or reorder checks. So then go over and click this button here where it says Order a Checkbook. And then it takes you over to a page where it says, please confirm the details of your check order. And over here on the side, it gives you a check preview of how it's going to look when they come in the mail. Once you've placed your order, your checks will be delivered in 10 to 14 business days. If you need to update your address, first go to the My Profile area and update your information. But if everything checks out, go ahead and click Place Order. And you should get those checks coming in the mail within about 2 to 3 weeks at the latest. So I hope this video was helpful showing you how you can order checks in your Sofi Money account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.